Hello, hello. Welcome to my KC2 Project Example. Okay, so what I'm going to expect from you is to have 7 different examples, 3 from learning target A, 2 from B, and 2 from C, and 1 from each target gets an explanation. So let's see how I would have done mine if I was my own student. Alright, so learning target 2A, simplifying a rational expression. I decided to just solve this one. For multiplying a rational expression, this is the one I decided to explain, and I did this in words, as you can see right here. First, I factored every part of the rational expression that could be factored. Next, I simplified the expressions from top and bottom. I was able to simplify 2 expressions. Finally, I multiplied straight across to get my final answer. And then here's my third slide for learning target 2A for dividing rational expressions. Next, learning target 2B. This is the one where I identify key features of a rational equation, including domain range, asymptotes, and end behavior. This had so much stuff in it, I decided, you know what, Miss Gumin, I don't want to explain this one, I'll do the other one. That's fine with me. The second portion of 2B was transformation of a rational equation. I decided to record my voice for this one, and I will play it for you so you can hear what that would sound like. First, I looked at the top of g of x. On the top of that fraction, I saw a -1. -1 tells us we are reflecting over the x-axis. Next, I looked on the bottom of the fraction. On the bottom, I have an x minus 5. When I have a -5, that is a transformation to the right 5. Lastly, I looked outside of the fraction and I had a +8. That told us we are going to move up 8 units. All right. If you need help recording, if you don't know how, let me know. I can walk you through it. Okay, my next slide is 2C, solving a rational equation when it's linear. This is the one I chose to describe. So I wrote, first I cross-multiplied. Once I had no more fractions, I distributed to finish my multiplication. Next, I combined like terms by subtracting 2x from both sides and subtracting 9 from both sides. Yes, those were 2 separate steps, but I was able to put that into one sentence. Hooray! And then, of course, my last sentence is, this got me to my answer, -27 equals x. Here's the last problem of my 2C learning target. Oh, it's a quadratic rational equation. All solved, all pretty, all legible. Okay, so what you should be working on at first is putting these problems, or the ones that you're going to use, into GoFormative so that I can check whether or not you're doing them correctly. Because, you know, if you're creating this type of project, you better have the right answers, right? So I'm happy to also check your explanations if you're not sure if you worded things correctly. I know that can be hard because we are translating from English into math. And no, I said that backwards. We're translating from math into English. Translating from English into math is also hard. Those are word problems, right? So one way or another, it's hard to connect those two things, I think. Yeah, so that is your mission for this project. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer anything, to clarify anything, and all that fun stuff. Have a wonderful rest of your day, whatever time of day it is for you. Bye.